Okay, the scale factor is 3 to 1. The ratio of the perimeters is going to be identical. 3 to 1. The ratio of their areas is going to be the square of each of those, so 9 to 1. It's as easy as that. Let's do this one. If the scale factor of the perimeters is 2 to 3, you could write it the same way, 2 to 3. You could write it either one of those ways. And then the scale factor of the areas will be 4 to 9. By the way, you could just as easily write this as 3 to 1 as a ratio, as a fraction, and this as 9 to 1. And you could just as easily write this as 2 to 3 like that, and 4 to 9 like that, if you wanted to. It doesn't make a difference how you write it. And the same thing with this one. You could write it as, well, the ratio is going to be the same as the scale factor, so that's a 6 to 1. So the perimeter will be 6 to 1. You could write that as 6 to 1 in words. Okay, and then the area ratio is the square of that, or 36 to 1. Yeah, all of those are equivalent forms of saying the same thing.